Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can check your recent activity on Facebook. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's video. To check your recent activity on Facebook, log into your Facebook from any browser and go to your profile. From the three-dot icon, click on Activity Log, and here you can find all the activities that you may have done on Facebook. From videos you have searched for to relationship statuses that you may have changed. All the activities are logged here. You can also find any post that you may have archived or deleted. To know more about Facebook and how the settings of Facebook works, please visit our channel and watch our videos. Thank you for watching our video today. Comment and let us know your thoughts and queries on our videos. Give a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.